What's going on YouTube? Today I'm making a video of my mystery bucket from Adams. I've never used the product before, so this is actually my first time ordering anything from them. I saw the bucket on Facebook, scrolling through when their advertisements went up. I was like, sure, why not? I heard it's some of the best stuff out there in the market, so let's see what I got. First, I got a lid. This lid, I believe, is valued at like $12.99. It's cool little lid. It's padded so you can sit on the bucket and just, I guess, wash underneath the car, around the wheels and stuff. So it's just cool. Nice little thing to have. That's one of the first things I got. And the next thing I got, obviously, is the bucket, right? So I got their bucket. Pretty nice. I don't have a dedicated bucket for washing, so that's going to come in handy. I got a booklet, just has their products. What else did I get? Got all these spray nozzles, which is good because I got a few things in there that, you know, need spray nozzles, and I don't have to go out and buy them. Next up, I got detailing spray, which is pretty good. I could always use some detailing spray, so that's not too bad. Let's move some of this stuff out of the way. So yeah, detailing spray. Every car guy could use it. That's the first thing. Second thing is the H2O Guard and Gloss. Like I said, I've never used any of this products, but I guess this product right here has gotten pretty good reviews, according to their website. So I'm gonna have to use it and, you know, test it out for myself. Next thing I got is wheel cleaner. As you can see, my car is pretty dirty. I'll be cleaning it today, and those black wheels in the back, those things get dirty very quickly. So that's definitely gonna help out wheel cleaner. Next thing is waterless wash. I've never done any waterless wash before, but getting this product, I might give it a try since I have it. This bucket actually cost $74.99, I believe. So with tax, it came out to like 82 bucks, which is actually pretty good. At the end of the video, I'll let you know how much everything came out to, how much everything valued at, and we'll go from there. The next thing is carpet and upholstery cleaner. I don't think I'm gonna use this as much, but it's nice to have. Like I said, it's a mystery bucket. You get some stuff that you're gonna use. You get some stuff that might just sit there until, you know, you need it months later. Next thing is a brush. So with that upholstery carpet cleaner, I got a brush that might go, you know, pretty good with it. Apparently this is just like this is called like their cockpit brush. You can go and you can clean pretty much anything that's interior. So you can clean your seats, you can clean, you know, just pretty much anything, your cup holders. This might come in handy. I drink a lot of Monster, so putting that Monster on you know, inside one of my cup holders, that thing just gets sticky and dirty, so that might help get some of that nasty stuff out of there. That thing hurts me when I see all that stuff. But borderless gray plush towel is the next thing. It's actually valued at $8.99. It says down here, but it's a little plush towel, borderless, so that's going to come in handy as well. Next thing is, to go with the waterless wash, is a waterless towel, I believe. So this waterless towel goes good with their waterless wash. Didn't know you needed a dedicated towel for waterless wash, but hey, I got it, might as well use it. Next up, what is this? Single soft polishing towel. So just a single towel, just a towel for polishing. It's nice to have. Get some wax out. Just a towel, basically. And then another one is the tough glass towel, which is pretty nice. I guess this is just to clean your glass. I don't really have a towel either for glass, so this should actually come in handy as well. And that is going to be it. I got one of their stickers. I got mint. I think I had another one, but I don't know where it went. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything, to be honest, I think everything was pretty worth it. if you're a first-time Adams buyer, if you've never purchased any other products, then it's perfect. You know, $74.99, $82 with tax. You get all this product. This was all valued at $150, about $150. So it's a very good entry level bucket. So from there on, I actually did buy their foam cannon. Just got that in today, along with that. I think one of their new soaps that's supposed to be like very foamy. So I'll get that out. You know, give it a try, see how that goes. I probably won't make a YouTube video because there's a tons of them out there. But that is it, pretty much. That's all I have for you, YouTube. Thanks for watching. My last video has over 20,000 views, and I'm very thankful for that. I never would have expected it to grow so fast. But like I said, thanks for watching, and hopefully you can subscribe so you can see some of my newer videos.